Ezra was a rich boy pretending to be a poor boy. I actually liked him more for that. Not because he didn't want the money, but because he totally had me fooled.
I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak.
No. I lied about a lot of things.
Ezra, go! I'm sorry, Aria.
What?
Everything.
You knew who I was before we met. You knew what I was up to.
So, he admitted to being in a relationship with her?
Yeah, a brief one.
And how could he sit back all this time and not do anything to help you?
It's simple. He never really loved me.